I mixed sour cream with passion fruit and made a delicious dessert. Start by mixing a packet of unflavored gelatin with 100 ml of water. In gelatin, add the pulp of a passion fruit. To sweeten, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then mix everything very well. Move it all in one way. Refrigerate or freezer until hardened. Meanwhile, add 2 packets of passion fruit flavored gelatin, 300 ml of hot water, 200 grams of sour cream. Now cover and let it beat very well. After beating, just pour all over the already hardened gelatin. Refrigerate until hardened again. It's ready, now just unstick the sides and then unstick the middle. Turn on a plate. And look how amazing this dessert is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This dessert is quick, easy and delicious. For you who like passion fruit, run and make this recipe right now. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.